If you receive a refund check from a vendor on a goods or services that you've already invoiced in CenterPoint and paid the vendor, we can enter a credit invoice and receive that credit. Let's go first to a processes and purchases and vendor invoice. So we have a vendor, Supplies Depot, and we previously purchased office supplies and paid that invoice, and the vendor has refunded us $30 for an adjustment made on that invoice. We're going to enter first that credit invoice. So we're going to choose all of the same options that we did when we entered the original invoice. It's done just the same. We can enter the same invoice number, and no, we don't want a new number. We're going to put in the date of the refund, and the only difference is the amount will be a negative amount. So they refunded us $30. We're going to go ahead and go to the account, and we're going to select the same account that we did on the original invoice, which in this case was for some office supplies. And again, you'd put in all the details that you would have used originally. In this case, there's a distribution. We're going to let that distribution take place. And that's all we really need to do in this vendor invoice, is enter the negative amount to the original account, and we're ready to save this. That will decrease the account payable balance for Supplies Depot. And now they sent us a check, so we're going to go receive that check. We're going to go to Payments and select Supplies Depot, and we see this negative Apply to Open Invoices. I'm going to select that button and select to pay that. Click OK. That fills in our grid, and it will create a negative payment of $30, which is the same as doing a positive receipt. So this will increase our bank account and decrease our expense that we selected in our invoice for the office supplies. And we're ready to save that, and that will take care of our refund check.